In this video, we review tax relief advocates. Have you used tax relief advocates before? What was your experience? Leave your tax relief advocates review in the comments section below. Did you know that tax relief companies often charge clients fees ranging from $2,000 to over $40,000 for their services? Additionally, many of these firms employ aggressive marketing tactics to attract clients, yet fail to deliver on their promises. Tax Relief Advocates is one such company that has garnered attention for its practices. On the positive side, Tax Relief Advocates offers services aimed at assisting individuals in resolving their tax debts with the IRS. They claim to help clients navigate complex tax issues, potentially providing relief to those overwhelmed by their financial obligations. For individuals unfamiliar with tax laws, having a dedicated team to handle negotiations with the IRS can be beneficial. However, numerous reports suggest significant drawbacks associated with tax relief advocates. Former employees have described the company as a complete scam, alleging that they mislead clients and fail to provide the promised services. Clients have reported paying substantial fees upfront, only to receive little to no assistance in return. In some cases, individuals were charged thousands of dollars, yet their tax issues remained unresolved, leading to further financial strain. Moreover, the company's approach to case management has been criticized. It is alleged that they often assign inexperienced tax preparers to handle complex cases, resulting in errors and delays. Some clients have reported that their cases were outsourced to overseas staff, raising concerns about the security of sensitive personal information. Another significant concern is the aggressive sales tactics employed by tax relief advocates. Clients have reported feeling pressured into paying large sums of money upfront, with promises of substantial tax reductions or eliminations. However, these promises often go unfulfilled, leaving clients in a worse financial position than before. In conclusion, while Tax Relief Advocates presents itself as a solution for individuals facing tax debts, numerous reports and first-hand accounts suggest that the company may not deliver on its promises. Potential clients should exercise caution, thoroughly research, and consider alternative options before engaging their services.